So here in number 5, it will be helpful if we can rewrite this problem using more powers of x so that we can apply the power rule. So this is the integral square root of x to the 7th is x to the 7 over 2 power plus 1/2 x to the negative 2 dx. So now I can add 1 and divide by that power. So 7 over 2 plus 2 over 2 is x to the 9 over 2 divided by 9 over 2 plus 1/2 times negative 2 plus 1 is x to the negative 1 divided by negative 1 plus c. So now I need to simplify these answers. So if I divide by a fraction, that becomes 2/9 x to the 9 over 2 minus 1 over 2x plus c. And in number 6, I can also rewrite this as x to some power. So this becomes the antiderivative 6 over 2 minus 1/2 is x to the 5/2 minus 6. 4 over 2 minus 1 over 2 is x to the 3 over 2 minus 5x to the negative 1/2 dx. So now I can use power rule on all 3 parts. 5 over 2 plus 2 over 2 is x to the 7 over 2. Divided by 7 over 2 makes 2/7 minus 6. X to the 3 over 2 plus 2 over 2 is x to the 5 over 2. Dividing by 5 over 2 makes multiplying by 2/5. So I'm going to change this to be 12/5. And then minus 5 over square root x plus c. Now remember, for all of these antiderivatives, you can check your work to see if you are correct. Take the derivative, and it should go back to the original problem. So check your answers. Check answers by taking the derivative.